This is what a Cummins turbo diesel engine does. It works hard, carries weight, pulls loads, and keeps going for miles, and miles, and miles. Cummins turbo diesel engines last forever. At least, that's the legend. In fact, the Cummins turbo diesel in this Ram truck has been working hard for over 2 million miles.
It's been an unbelievably dependable truck, strong running. It's 2,007,000 on it, and the thing still fires up and drives down the road, and it won't die.
So how do you build an engine that seems to last forever, that has become a legend in its own time? The answer starts here at the Columbus MidRange engine plant, where legends are made. This is the Columbus MidRange engine plant, CMEP, a plant that is truly unlike any other in the world. The plant was originally designed as a facility for the production of heavy-duty engine components. And, like the Cummins turbo diesel, the plant's design is innovative. It was among the very first green facilities, placing operations mostly below ground level, with parking on the roof, for a low, unobtrusive profile and greater energy efficiency. Yet, as unique as the plant's exterior is, it's what happens inside that truly sets the plant apart. This is where the sophisticated manufacturing technologies, precision machining, and advanced systems and practices all come together to build the Cummins turbo diesel engine. Early on, Cummins brought its heavy-duty experience, expertise, and philosophy to the design of the turbo diesel. And today's Cummins turbo diesel engines are made to the highest standards ever, designed and manufactured to optimize dependability, fuel efficiency, and performance. The Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine led the way in meeting the Environmental Protection Agency's standards for diesel engines, delivering innovation you can depend on. They represent the leading edge in clean diesel technology, producing near zero NOx and particulate matter emissions. For more than 20 years, the Cummins turbo diesel has delivered legendary power. More than 1.5 million engines have been produced for the Ram truck, and almost all of them are still on the road. Plus, the turbo diesel's sister engine, the ISB, powers millions of trucks and other equipment around the globe. It all starts on CMEP's block line. Each block is precisely machined to exacting standards until it's ready for the assembly line. To ensure maximum quality, the plant's machining area utilizes some of the world's most advanced machining technologies, preparing critical components to highly precise tolerances. On the assembly line, more than 400 components come together in a high-speed, flexible assembly process as teams of highly trained employees build and check the engine all the way down the line.
If we detect a quality issue at any time, we're empowered to stop the line and get it right at that moment. And we also communicate that information back to the operator to ensure error reduction, thus improving our first-time right production.
Well, we have several checkpoints in the plant where things are overchecked. I mean, we're constantly overchecking what the station before it's built. Everybody builds quality into this engine.
The assembly line incorporates sophisticated automated processes as well as high-tech tools. Quality is built in at each station, ensuring that the engine is absolutely right before it moves on. In fact, the engines only advance when team members verify that the engine is ready to proceed in the assembly, and every engine is verified before it leaves the plant. CMEP was created to build engines with a team-based approach. That means that the people here are cross-trained to perform many roles. In fact, most CMEP employees are certified in several different jobs.
Rather than work individually on the line, we just all work together as a team. You kind of self-manage yourself. You don't have to call your foreman or your business unit manager for every little decision that's made. Kind of work together to make our own decisions.
It assures collaboration between management, between the engineers, and between the people that have to do the jobs. The team will make suggestions, the engineers will have some, and there can be a give and take between the engineers and the people on the line to come up with the best solution for the problem.
Following assembly, engines are ready to be painted, upfitted with any customer-specific options, and made ready to ship to the customer. There are also dedicated labs within the plant to ensure the exacting quality standards required for certain critical components.
We are required to hold very tight tolerances on many features, and some of those tolerances are as tight as 10 microns. So to correlate that to something that you can relate to, 10 microns is almost 1/8 of a size of human hair. So we require this precision gauging equipment to be able to hold these tight tolerances.
Continual improvement is a vital part of the work done at CMEP, and Six Sigma is one of the key quality methods used for ongoing process improvement. And many employees throughout the plant are trained in Six Sigma techniques.
At CMEP, continuous improvement is part of our culture. We utilize the Six Sigma process to drive improvements throughout all of our processes. So for an example, we might use Six Sigma as a process to prevent a reoccurring defect, or we might use it in a business process in our finance department to drive improvement. There's really no barriers or limitation to how Six Sigma can be applied. It boils down to being able to use Six Sigma to drive improvements in our products and services for our customers.
Safety is vitally important at CMEP. And over the years, the plant has achieved a safety record that exceeds the national average.
Safety plays a vital role in the sustainability here at CMEP. There's a saying, safety protects people and quality protects jobs. We do risk assessments of every activity that every employee performs in this building. And using that information, we come up with key objectives and focus areas.
The people at CMEP also take an active role in the community, participating in and sponsoring a wide range of community work, from food banks to road cleanups. And the plant maintains a garden that donates hundreds of pounds of fresh produce to families in need every year.
The employees are very involved. They don't always have time to work on a specific project, but we try to make the projects work for the time that they're not going to be online or in meetings. So they're really enthusiastic.
People enjoy giving back. I think they feel very blessed, not only as individuals, but us as a plant. We feel very privileged that we're doing as well as we are. And giving back is just a small piece that we can do to help the community, show how much we appreciate them having us here in the community and what we can do for them.
In addition to manufacturing, the plant also includes critical product and service engineers, so they are close to and involved in the ongoing production.
Having the engineering staff here on site is great because you've got the engine here, you've got the hardware here, the engineers can interact with the hardware. Hands-on experience is vital. Having all the other functions here on the plant makes changes a lot easier. All the functions are involved from start to finish. The benefit is really quality, it's dependability, it lasts a long time, there's very few issues. We make the engine to last.
All in all, CMEP is a one-of-a-kind facility with a truly remarkable team, building a truly remarkable engine. The Cummins Turbo Diesel, delivering better performance and better reliability while being better for the environment.
It's such a clean factory, everything is so smooth. You can see the care that goes into these motors, which is clearly why you guys have the reputation that Cummins does. It's just, you can tell there's a love for what they're building. It's not just a job. You can see that they're building a legend.
The Columbus Mid-Range Engine Plant, where legends are made.